anything is possible. Hi, now that that's out of the way, I'm Arya. So is she. Hello. And her and her and her. And now I'm in a superposition of being here and wherever else. Let me rewind. I acknowledge that quantum mechanics sounds intimidating, but honestly, it just has a bad rap. Everyone always thinks that only people who can solve calculus in their sleep can learn it. Yeah, that's not true. Derivative calculator. We as humans have the tendency of trying to fit the results of quantum physics into a representation of what our intuition tells us is supposed to happen. It's just a mental barrier. I understand that if I threw my computer up, which I'm not gonna do because I know from past experiences that it'll go crack, it'll fall. But in order to understand superpositioning, we need to rewire our brain because laws that govern the world we know are not the same fundamentals that govern subatomic particles. Heads, if I flip it. Tails, if I hold it like this, it's both. But then, hey, what's behind you? Now it's neither. So what if the state of the quarter was undetectable? If it wasn't heads or tails or both or neither, then the quarter is doing something very strange. It is in a superposition of being both heads and tails at the same time. Basically, we can't detect the exact state it's in, so we call it superposition. Undetermined, but probable. We can't even see these particles. Why should the world even care? One word, spies. Not just spies, high-ranking government officials, the Secret Service. Anyone who has to move classified information via the interwebs can now use quantum computers to make sure their privacy won't be compromised. Sorry. When you encode on a classic computer, you use binary, an endless variation of zeros and ones. But on a quantum computer, you use spins. Literally spinning numbers to be in a superposition. And since superpositions are super delicate, we can interfere with the quantum state of the encryption of the actual message by collapsing a wave function to reveal a single message. No, that is not all user 00839. Thank you for asking. There are no limits to what a quantum computer can actually achieve. Literally, even the world's best supercomputer is limited by its storage space. I mean, that's pretty weak. But not with these bad boys. They have the ability to provide solutions to problems classical computers couldn't even process, like simulate atomic bonding, model chemical structures, mimic nature, and that's just to name a few. Google said their quantum computer solved a 10,000-year problem in seconds. You see, the more we use quantum mechanics to better our understanding of the world, the higher our chances are at solving problems that we initially deemed unsolvable. Want to help me find a cure to cancer? How about you? If so, go out and explore it. It's accessible through the cloud, so everyone has the opportunity to discover all it's capable of. Have fun, you guys. Arya Tamar, logging off.